Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview United Chemical CalTreat Calcium Hardness Reducer. What is CalTreat Calcium Hardness Reducer? CalTreat is a revolutionary chemical that uses your existing filtration system to filter out calcium hardness 200 or 400 ppm without clouding your pool. Product benefits: effectively reduces calcium hardness without draining, reduces scale formation on pool surfaces, restores water clarity, reduces calcium levels between 200 or 400 ppm. Usage directions: add 1 bottle of CalTreat for every 15,000 gallons of pool water by dissolving it in a bucket and pouring around the perimeter of the pool. Do not pour in shallow areas or around steps or love seats. Run filter continuously for 24 hours. After that, set the filter to run on its normal schedule. Traditionally, lowering calcium hardness involved partially draining and refilling your pool level. This was a costly method, and for many who live in areas with hard water is ineffective. CalTreat changes this by removing calcium hardness from your water using your filtration system. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.